Ever wondered what indexability means in SEO? Well, it's all about a search engine's ability to analyze and add a web page to its index. It's like a librarian sorting and cataloging new books. So why is indexability important in SEO? Let's explore. Indexability plays a crucial role in your website's visibility on search engine results. When a page isn't indexable, it's like a hidden gem, unseen in search engine results, meaning potential traffic and conversions pass by unnoticed. But how can you ensure your website is indexable? This is where Authority Solutions comes in. We offer services to amplify your website's indexability. Our team conducts meticulous SEO audits, identifying any indexability hitches. Then, we implement strategies to make your site more accessible and attractive to search engines. With Authority Solutions, your website's visibility on search engines is guaranteed. So, are you ready to boost your website's indexability? Reach out to Authority Solutions for your SEO needs. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Remember, a more indexable website means more visibility, more traffic, and more conversions. Authority Solutions is here to help you achieve that. Thank you for watching.